Hello everyone, this is the birthday mini project. It based on the um, dictionary and the continuous loop. Let's see what is this. So let's run and see what is this birthday mini project. It will show three options: show data, enter data, and exit. If we will enter one, it will show us no data available. Please first enter data, means no data is available. So first of all we will enter data. So we will choose second option and enter any name of our friend and his birthday. Let's see, I am writing Sikandar and his birthday is 12/12/1999. And now I will enter second date of birth of my friend AMJD Amjad. So it's birth of that. I'm writing 13/10/1998. So now we can show the data, as we will now enter number one to show data. So it will first ask our friend name, as I will write friend name. So it will show us date of birth of our friend. It will continuously running. If you want to exit this program, we will have to choose third option, exit.